What's the meaning of bookcase? Bookcase. Bookcase.
Bookcase. Bookcase. A bookcase is a piece of furniture that is used to store and display books. Typically, it consists of horizontal shelves that are arranged in vertical columns, with enough space between them to accommodate books of various sizes. Bookcases may be made of wood, metal, or other materials, and may be designed for use in homes, offices, libraries, or other settings. They can range from small, simple pieces to large, elaborate structures that serve as focal points in a room. Bookcases may also be used to store other items besides books, such as decoratives, photographs, or electronics.